Today, we're going to be taking a look at a polished brass Casablanca Victorian. This is a K55 Victorian with cardboard box variable speed control, so it is from that weird transitional time. Has a K4 on it with this generic grandma glass. However, this glass may be Casablanca brand as well. This glass did not come with this fan. It did come off of a K63 New Orleans I got. The fan is not in the greatest shape. The brass is rather tarnished in some places and the blades are fairly out of balance. However, the fan itself still runs rather well. So I'll start off showing the light there. And one quick side note you may have picked up on is I'm not filming this video on my usual video camera, I'm filming it on my iPhone. The reason for that being I want to see if this video gets better lighting and overall better quality of capturing the ceiling fan. Shot is going to be a little shakier as the camera's not on a tripod, I'm just holding it. But the only windows up here are these two skylights, so it's a little hard to get good lighting up here, so we'll see if it looks better with the iPhone. Okay, now we'll start the fan up. Gonna have to give this a little turn to get it going. I'll turn it up a bit. Don't really have too much to say about this fan. It is a bit of an oddball though, in the sense that it's K55 motor with cardboard box variable speed. I already have two of these in antique brass, however, I do not have one of these in polished brass. Or this is rather my only one in polished brass. So it is a little unique in that regard. I got this fan from Brandon C. Johnson this most recent summer. pretty large jump in speed right there. Go from like a medium low to a upper medium. And here's where the wobble makes its presence known as well. And that's almost full speed there. As you can see, the wobble is pretty bad. And it's thunking against probably the mounting hook. And full speed. Every time I pull the chain, it makes a little bit of a creaking noise. I'm not sure if that's because of the conduits going into the canopy or something else, though. Yeah, cosmetically it's not in the best shape, but it is still a pretty nice looker. Just need to balance it out a bit. And there you have it. A K55 cardboard box variable speed Casablanca Victorian in polished brass. And once again, this video was filmed on my iPhone as opposed to my usual camera, so if you thought the quality here was better compared to other recent videos, let me know, and perhaps I could start using my iPhone more regularly. Alright, that's all. Take care, guys.